Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'm gonna be sharing to you guys how to extract audio from a video with Python. So stick around and let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna have to install one module. You can simply do that by typing pip install movie.py in our terminal. So now I'm just gonna go close this, and now I'm gonna tap import movie.py .editor .video or just .editor. So, and now I'm gonna create a variable video, and the video is gonna be equal to movie.py .editor .video file clip, and here we're gonna pass in our video as a parameter, so .mp4, and this intro.mp4 is the video that I have over here. So now I'm gonna create a variable audio, and audio is gonna be equal to video dot audio. So this is gonna get the audio of the video over here, and it's gonna store it in this variable audio. So now, but it is not in a file, so I can't just access the audio file. So to make it as a file, I'm gonna do audio dot write audio file, and here I'm gonna pass in the name that I want to give the file. So I'm gonna type intro audio.mp4. So this is just the name that is gonna give the file, the new file, or actually it's supposed to be .mp3. So now let us run it, and you're gonna see that it's gonna create a new file over here, which is gonna be intro audio.mp3. So it's loading now, and as you can see over here. So let me just go to the folder, and you can see this is our video file, and this is the audio file over here. So that is it for this video, guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends and family or anybody that finds this video useful, and please comment if you have a feedback or any suggestion, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.